Welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. I love tiramisu and I love strawberries. And this easy and quick strawberry tiramisu combines my love for both of them, and it also fulfills my cravings for both these things. Yes, you heard it right. It's a strawberry tiramisu. A very fresh and vibrant dessert. It's very easy, it's quick to put together, and there are no eggs involved. You are going to love it. Now you can make the strawberry tiramisu using fresh strawberry preserve, homemade one, or fresh strawberries, or you can also make it using a store-bought strawberry jam, preserve, anything. Well, I will be using my own homemade strawberry preserve, strawberry compote in fact, that I made a few months back when all the strawberries were in season. The recipe for this is there on my YouTube channel and on my blog as well. Like the regular tiramisu, I'll be using the mascarpone cream here, but I've replaced ladyfingers with orange Marie biscuits, and there is no custard. I'm going to use whipped cream instead of that. So let's get started. To make the strawberry tiramisu, you will need some mascarpone cream, sugar, whipping cream, strawberry preserve or jam. I'll be using my fresh homemade strawberry preserve that I made a few days ago. Then you'll need orange juice, some Marie biscuits. So we'll begin by beating this mascarpone cream and some sugar till it becomes creamy, smooth and fluffy. Keep it aside and then on to the whipping cream. Whip this cream till you get to the soft peak stage. This will take you about 5 to 6 minutes, or depends on the kind of environment, the weather at the moment, and also the kind of cream that you're using. But remember that you need to only take it to the soft peak stage and then stop. Now what we're going to do is we will combine both the beaten mascarpone and the whipped cream together. It helps to use an electric beater because it makes your job easier and more convenient, but you can easily do this with a handheld whisk. Do this for a few minutes till the entire mixture is uniform and homogeneous and it looks really creamy and fluffy. So here we have this mixture ready. I am using the orange Marie biscuits for this dessert. You can use any Marie biscuit, any flavor that you like. You can also use graham crackers, you can use digestive biscuits, you can use coconut cookies, any of your favorite biscuits. In fact, you can also use the ladyfingers, the traditional ladyfinger cookies that are used in regular tiramisus. Recipe for that is also coming up very soon, by the way. Now we'll move to the next element of this recipe. We're going to take these orange Marie biscuits and dip them in fresh orange juice. Make sure you don't dip them for a very long time, otherwise the biscuits will become soggy and they will break and you'll end up with a mess. So dip them in for just a couple of seconds and then lay them over the base of your serving dish in which you're going to set your tiramisu. If necessary, you can also break these biscuits in such a way that they cover the entire surface of your dish, or you can just put them whole. If you feel that they need a little more orange liquid, you can go on with a little orange juice all over these biscuits again. Once the entire surface has been covered, now comes my favorite part. I'll get my strawberry preserve that I just made a few days ago, and I'm going to put a layer of this preserve all over these biscuits very, very generously. Now take that mascarpone and whipped cream mixture, put on a layer over this strawberry preserve and even out the layer nicely. Once that is done, we're going to repeat the layers of the biscuits, the preserve and the whipped cream. Once you reach the top of your serving dish, this dessert is all yours to play with how you want to make it look pretty and decorated. I put on some drops of this preserve, made swirls using a little toothpick, and finally garnished it with some fresh strawberries and mint sprig. I hope you're going to make this dessert. It's so easy, no eggs involved. It's very tasty. So till next time, bye-bye and enjoy.